Sarah, what you doing?
What makes some Oreo McFlurry?
Okay.
Hi guys, I will show to you or I will teach to you how I do or make some Oreo McFlurry in my own way. Okay? So we need some vanilla sticky ice cream, and then so it's Oreo. I already smashed it before, and you need some empty bottle. So you need also a scooper. So you take some ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream. Then you put the half. Wait. So I take some sea salt to put the Oreo inside. Here's the one also. And mix it first. Itong blender.
I think need more ice cream.
Take some. Put in the cup because it's not easy because need some agitator or blender. It's okay already.
Tomorrow maybe I will buy.
Mm.
It's not expensive.
Okay, finished already.
No, you try. Same or not?
Wait a minute.
Same? Same like in your work?
But it's chocolate only.
But in your work, not chocolate?
Same.
Same?
No, it's not the same. I have vanilla only there.
No, what better?
Mm,
From McDonald's?
this one because I make it.
Okay.
So you try it also. So Mr. Leon try it.
No, good.
So thank you for watching our this little bit vlog, small vlog only. Mangan.